In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust your payment settings to disable credit card and ACH payments. This is an essential skill, especially if you want to streamline how your transactions are managed or prevent certain payment methods from being used. So let's get started and take it step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to the gear icon. This is usually located in the upper right corner of your interface. Selecting this cog icon will open up a drop-down menu that provides access to various settings and options for your account. Think of it as your control hub, where you can modify and personalize different aspects to suit your needs. Once you've clicked on the gear icon, look for the Account and Settings option. This is the place where you can make adjustments that affect how your account operates, including modifying payment preferences. Clicking on this will take you to a new page with multiple tabs. Each tab serves a different function, so don't be overwhelmed by the variety of choices available. We're focusing on payments today. On the Account and Settings page, you'll want to find the section labeled Payments. Within the Payments section is where you manage how you receive funds. It's organized this way to give you precise control and clarity over the payment processes linked to your account. Here you'll see check boxes for the various payment options currently enabled. These may include credit card and ACH payments, among others. To stop these payment methods from being accepted, you'll need to uncheck the options for both credit card and ACH payments. Simply click on the checkbox next to each of these to remove the checkmark. This action will ensure that payments through these methods will no longer be processed or accepted. It's crucial to double check that both checkmarks have been removed before proceeding. This will ensure you've successfully disabled these payment methods according to your requirements. Once you're confident that they are unchecked, you're almost done with the adjustments. Now, the final step is to save these changes. Look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom of the page. Clicking Save is essential because it confirms and implements the changes you've just made to your account settings. Without saving, your modifications won't take effect and you'd have to repeat the process all over again, which can be quite inconvenient. And there you have it. By following these simple instructions, you've effectively managed to turn off credit card and ACH payment options, tailoring your account to fit your desired payment structure. This little change can make a big difference in how you handle transactions, giving you greater control and making sure everything operates just the way you want it to. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more account management tips.